Kids, close your eyes. Let's go to the South Pole. In the coldest lands, there's one lonely pine tree where a little penguin named Pingu lives. Every year, as Christmas gets close, Pingu comes to decorate his home, his tree. This year, Pingu had one big wish. He really wanted Santa Claus to bring him a good friend so he wouldn't be lonely anymore. Pingu finished decorating the tree and waited for Santa. Hello, smart kids! How are you doing? I'm Zizi, and welcome to my studio. Now, we are going to do something magical. We will build Pingu and his wishing tree with clay so we can make an exciting story with them. Let's start with little Pingu. Simple sketch. First, we need to turn Pingu into simple shapes. His head is an oval. Mixing clay hollies. First of all, mix black, blue, and white clay to get a nice dark gray color. Pingu's head. Take a little clay and roll it into an oval shape, just like in the drawing. This is his head. For his white face area, roll a white piece of clay, flatten it with your finger, and cut it into the right shape. Stick it onto the gray oval. Eyes and beak claw. Now, make a tiny orange piece shaped like a triangle for his beak, and stick it between the eyes. Stick 2 small black round pieces of clay for his eyes onto the white area. Body and flippers, take more gray clay, roll it, and make it a little plump. Roll and flatten a white piece of clay into a teardrop shape. And stick it onto his body. For the flippers, make 2 small gray teardrops, flatten them, and stick them onto the body, one on each side. Attaching and scarf falls, break a toothpick in half and push it into the head, then carefully push the head onto the body. Take some pink clay, roll it, and flatten it. Take the head off, put the scarf around his neck, cut the extra part. Now, let's make a scarf so he doesn't get cold, and use a tool to make tiny lines. That's the knit texture. Put the head back on. Make a round piece of clay, scoop out the middle with a tool, and shape it like a hat. Put it on Pingu's head. Now, I'll mix the pink clay with some white to make it lighter. Roll and flatten it for the brim of the hat. Cut the edges and make the knitted texture. Make a little ball of the same color for the pom-pom. Use your tool to make it fluffy, and stick it to the tip of the hat. This is the tree base. Now, we need to make Pingu's house, the pine tree. Making the base, get an A4 paper, roll it tightly around your finger to make a cone shape. Glue the edges and trim the bottom so it stands flat. Texturing the tree how? Make lots of green circles. Watch me. I put the circle on the paper and use my finger to drag and spread the clay a little. Do this for the whole bottom row. For the next row, add a little more yellow to the clay to make the green lighter. Make new clay balls and spread them on the paper. Repeat this process, adding a bit of yellow to the play dot for each row so the color gets lighter and lighter until the whole tree is covered. Great job! This is Pingu's wishing tree. So kids, did you enjoy Pingu's story? Now we have Pingu and his tree ready for our film. But what happens next in the story? Does Santa Claus know he needs to go all the way to the South Pole? Will he bring Pingu a friend? If you want to know what happens next, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell so you don't miss the next part where we find out if Santa answers Pingu's wish. See you next time. Bye-bye.